Hey guys, welcome to the Max Invest YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the recent news surrounding the cryptocurrency markets, and then we're going to do a broad overview of the cryptocurrency markets and a few specific coins. Of course, if you enjoy the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and remember nothing in this video is financial advice and you should always do your own research. So the first big bit of news that I want to discuss is Amazon is seeking a new executive to oversee digital currency and a digital currency strategy. So Amazon actually released a job application and they're trying to hire someone with extensive experience in cryptocurrencies, in Bitcoin and Ethereum in particular, and they're going to use this person to do what Amazon will do. Of course, Amazon haven't specified that what they're going to be doing with cryptocurrency yet. However, I do think as Amazon's one of the biggest companies in the entire world, the fact that they are starting to hire heaps of people that are experienced in cryptocurrency and programming will be very good for the future of cryptocurrency. I do think it's a possibility that Amazon are going to add cryptocurrencies to their balance sheets and start accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum as payments. We do already know Amazon do somewhat use Ethereum for data storage. However, I do see Amazon using crypto a lot more in the future. So this is overall very bullish for cryptocurrency in general. The next big bit of news is there was an event called the B Word where Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey and Cathie Wood all talked together about Bitcoin. Now, not too much was said in this interview, except I think Elon Musk did win over a significant amount of support because he did seem quite bullish on Bitcoin and he did actually seem like he was a supporter of Bitcoin. Elon Musk revealed that SpaceX also owns Bitcoin as well as Tesla, and Elon does own Bitcoin and Ethereum personally. So this was quite interesting to see, and this was a big bit of news that is talked about quite a bit. In a bit of a smaller news, we can see that Reddit are actually deploying their community points system on Arbitrum, which is an Ethereum layer 2. If you don't know what their community points system is, you can check out my video on this, which will be in the top right. So let's get into some of the cryptocurrency charts. The first one I want to look at is Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is currently the biggest cryptocurrency in the market, and it is still dictating what the market is doing a fair bit. Now, Bitcoin has more or less been trading sideways. We started this series where we're going to do weekly updates on the cryptocurrency markets every single week, and as we said a couple of weeks ago, I do believe it was about at the beginning of June, Bitcoin will likely trade sideways for an extended period of time. We speculated that this period of time will probably be 6 months or so, and Bitcoin has more or less traded sideways. Bitcoin hit $29,000 on the week of May the 17th, and right now Bitcoin is at $34,000, so this does reflect some sideways trading for the past couple of months, and I do think this could continue till the end of the year. Of course, this does make the crypto markets very boring, and there's not too much going on when they're all just trading sideways and perhaps even slightly down. So let's get into a couple of the specific cryptocurrencies. The first one I want to look at is Axie Infinity. Now, Axie Infinity is a decentralized video game which has NFT based characters that you can purchase. This game has recently gone ballistic. It has over 1 million active players right now, and it continues to get better and better. They're on track to make over $1 billion worth of revenue this year, and this game really does look like it is going parabolic. As we can see, if we look at Axie Infinity's chart, Axie Infinity went down from around $9 all the way down to $3 or $4. However, at the beginning of July, everyone really started playing Axie Infinity. It started going crazy, and as you can see, Axie Infinity has just gone up and up and up. Axie Infinity went up to $15, had a bit of a dip back down to $10, went up to $32, dipped back down to $18 or $15, and Axie Infinity is now, in a couple of days, gone all the way up to $44 per AXS. This chart, however, does remind me of one chart in particular, and this chart reminds me of Polygon's chart. Everyone was really hyped up about Polygon, and Polygon kept going up and up and up. Polygon went all the way up to $1, it then pulled back to 70 cents, it went up to $2, had a bit of a pullback, $3 and nearly $4. Polygon just kept going up and up and up. However, if you didn't sell the top, you didn't make much money, because right now Polygon is once again back under under $1. Polygon is at around the 70-cent mark. Of course, Polygon has tons of value and is providing a lot of value to the ecosystem. In fact, Polygon is one of my favorite projects. However, there was such a big hype wave around Polygon that it did lead to a big correction, despite it having a lot of fundamental value. I do think Axie Infinity is the exact same thing. I can see Axie Infinity continuing to go higher, continuing to push up and up and up. However, eventually the hype will go away and Axie Infinity will pull back substantially. Now, this substantial pullback could be to the $30 range, and Axie Infinity could find a base at the $30 range after going all the way up to, say, $100 plus. You don't know what's going to happen. So, I am personally staying away from the Axie Infinity token right now, as I just don't really know where that's going to go. I believe the game has a ton of fundamental value and it is a really good game that I do think will continue to appreciate into the future. However, with this huge hype wave and it going up 100% in just a matter of days, I do think I'm going to stay away from this token. So, the next token that we do like to look at on the channel is Ethereum, and Ethereum seems to be doing more or less the same thing, where it is also trading sideways just like Bitcoin. Ethereum does, however, now seem to be under the bull market support band when it did spend quite a bit of time over the bull market support band. Of course, this isn't that great. We do want to see it over the bull market support band. However, it is more or less hugging the bull market support band, and it's not too bearish right now. If we look all the way back at Ethereum's history, we can see that Ethereum did do a very similar thing back in 2015. Ethereum went the entire way up to $15. It then proceeded to trade sideways for the space of about 1 year. Ethereum was essentially just hugging the bull market support band, and it did go below it briefly. However, I would definitely not call this a sustained bear market. As you can see, on the chart, this doesn't look like a bear market. This is just more or less sideways trading. Ethereum just traded sideways, and then eventually it had another huge boom where it went all the way from around $6 to $1,400 in a pretty swift move. So I do think a similar thing is going to happen, where Ethereum trades sideways for perhaps a period of half a year, and then it should resume its uptrend. 6 or even a bit more months could be the amount of time Ethereum trades sideways. I don't believe there's going to be a full-on bear market, and I believe this because Ethereum is too fundamentally strong right now, and I do think Ethereum can keep going forward. It just needs a bit of time to cool off. Now, the other cryptos we'll look at is Chainlink, which we usually look at on the channel, and I did just do a video on Chainlink that you can look at. However, Chainlink has recently had a pretty big breakdown, and it has broken off its general trend line. Despite this, I am very bullish on Chainlink, and I do see this as a buying opportunity purely because of the fundamentals, and there is quite a bit of support around the $13 area, which I am looking at for constant top-ups. It is seeming to touch the $13 area and continue back above it, so that is a good place that I like to top up on my Chainlink for. Of course, not financial advice. The last crypto that I do want to look at is Cardano, because I do like looking at Cardano, and for some reason, Cardano has been the best performing crypto this market cycle. Now, something that I found interesting is Cardano completely destroyed Bitcoin and Ethereum to the upside. Cardano went around 150x from its lows to its highs, and despite this, Cardano pulled back the least. I believe Cardano pulled back around 55%, while Bitcoin has pulled back 58%. So Cardano has outperformed all of the cryptos to the upside and to the downside. As a result, I do like holding this crypto as it is performing very well technically, and I do believe it also has a very, very good future for this crypto. This crypto is loved a lot by retail investors, and it does also look like it's going to have smart contracts very soon and a lot of good fundamentals coming for it. Regardless, that's the end of the video. I do believe cryptos are going to be a bit boring. They're just going to continue to trade sideways and not do too much for a long time. However, we will continue to do the weekly updates as they are quite interesting to look at and keep track of. Thanks for watching the video.